Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to learn about the inheritance hierarchical form. What does this mean? We have a parent class, and that parent class is being extended by more than one subclasses. You can see in the example clearly that A class is being inherited by class B and class C. So let's see a quick syntax over here, right? So you have the food class, which is being extended by class rice and class fruits, right? So let's move forward with the practical form. Let's say I have a class of food here, and it have its own method. Let's say food in smalls, right? It have its own content. Let's say system.out.print, which is showing us that this is a food class. Okay, and now we want to just just a second, yeah. What we need to do, we need to extend it. So I'm creating out a separate class again. Let's just edit it a bit. I have the class here as rice, which is having a rice method in smalls, okay, and it's showing the rice. Okay, now rice method is extending the foods. Okay, it's extending the food class. Let's create another class, let's say, which is fruit, which extends the food class. Okay, I'm creating out a public class main to call all the methods, and let's create the object of our fruit class and rice class, right? Let's say R, and I'm creating out again the object for fruits class, which is F, and I'll call through R the methods of food class. Okay, through F I'll call the food class method again. So if I'll just save and try to run it again, okay, let's check it out. So if you would see here, we have a silly mistake, which is M should be capital in main, right? Let's just try to run. Sorry, which is wrong again. Here it should be M capital, right? Let's just try to run now. Yeah, we got the food class by the objects of the two of the class, which is the subclass or the child class for food class, right? This is what the hierarchical inheritance means. I hope this is the clear point for hierarchical inheritance. Thank you so much.